Hi everyone, I am going to make for you the ultimate fruit smoothie. We have ingredients here. We have frozen vanilla, pineapple, banana with cordial, spinach, yogurt, and milk. Put banana in the smoothie maker. The fun fact about pineapples, one of my favorite shows, is who lives in the pineapple analysis and put some pineapple pieces. Yeah, the movie of SpongeBob is so amazing. All the characters. Yeah, the frozen vanilla. Leave a comment below if you love vanillas. You can try some spinach to make it healthy. A natural yogurt you can get from the supermarket. You add a whole blue milk. And my favorite is the blackcurrant and bottomberry cordial. And mix that together. Now it's done. This is more like a sorbet. Let's try it. It's very yummy. This is more like a sorbet to me. The ingredients are so amazing. It's really nice with the spinach. And see you next time.